Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the new EGW Writing software on your Mac. Now, today I'm going to be demonstrating to you all about audiobooks. Audiobooks is something that many of you love to use each and every day. And that enables you to be able to, as you're driving to work or getting ready in the morning or in the evening when you're just resting and relaxing, or any other time of the day that you have time but you can't really read, but you can listen. You may have a job that, you might be a truck driver, say, for example. I got an email just a couple of days ago expressing the thanks from a truck driver that drives across the nation delivering goods, and he plays as he goes along in the trucks EGW Writings audiobooks and listens to for hours on end. And that is one of the jobs, he can concentrate driving, but he can receive the wonderful messages that Ellen G. White wrote for us as this last day movement. Now, I'm going to be demonstrating to you right now in the app how to use that. If you come down into the home screen here, you can see the icon that says Audiobooks, and when you open that up, you can see all the books that we have audiobooks for. Now, we have nearly 500 books that are available to listen to in multiple languages, but I'm going to be demonstrating to you in the ones here that we have in English. So the last thing I'd like to show you is audiobooks. And that can be found on the menu. There are two sections to audiobooks. There's the audiobook menu, and then there's the listing history menu. If I click on audiobooks here, it'll double click. It will open up all the books that we have available to listen to. Now, maybe I want to listen to Patriarchs and Prophets. They're the first one. I'll just click on that, and away it goes, and it will start to play. And I can listen ahead. I can jump forward 10 seconds, jump back 10 seconds. I can choose from a different chapter to play down here. I can choose from chapter 2. And away it will go. I'm just going to skip forward a few seconds into the book here. And then I'm going to pause right there at the 41-second mark. All right, or 42 actually. So we've paused at the 42-second mark. And I'm just going to close the audiobook player here. Now, maybe I've closed the app and that's where I paused because I needed to go ahead and do some work. Now, if I come back another day and I want to pick up from that, all I need to do is come down to listening history now, open up my listening history, and right here it tells me that I was at 41 seconds at chapter 2, and I just click there, and when I double click there, it should actually open up and start playing. And if I want to see the playing, I need to open up the player, and yes, it picked up and continued playing again. And that's how I come back into my listing history. And you can see if I want to pause here and pick up from like Acts of the Apostles, I can click on Acts of the Apostles, and there we go. We are playing away on Acts of the Apostles. Okay, so that's how I come back and forth in my listing history. Now I can click it from here. I can select the book and just click play. I double click on the book and it will switch to it. Now I'm playing in The Great Controversy. Okay. So that's how I jump back and forth in the audiobooks within my listening history. Or if I want to hear it, I click here, choose a new book, and open the book up, click my player, and away we go. Now, you can actually browse to it. I think I showed this earlier on the tutorial. So if I come back into all collections, and let's say I go to devotional book, and I open up the Faith to Live By that I'm going through. Over here, remember, in my table of contents, you can see I have the little tiny player icon. So I can come down and choose a particular day. All right, so let's come down to May 10, and I can click play there. Play, pause, click play. It plays, click pause, and it stops. Right there from within my table of contents. The way it is, it's playing the devotional from May 10. Let me pause it again so it's in the background. So you can play the audiobook there. And now when I click the play pause there, if I come back over to my listening history, it should show up Faith for the Day right there in my listening history. All right, so that's basically the 3 ways of navigating around audiobooks as well. So I hope the little tiny tutorial that I showed you here on how to use the audiobooks will be beneficial in your daily use of the EGW Writings app on your Mac. I hope that as you use the EGW Writings, that you'll not only use it just to read, but use it to listen to. When you read actually and listen to it at the same time using two of your senses, it helps you to concentrate better and to get the message that the writer and the author was actually trying to deliver to you. It's just another method that you can use to help you to read and understand and comprehend the writings of Ellen G. White. Well, thank you for joining us. I'm Daryl Thompson, your host. Have a blessed day, and bye for now.